Hi everyone, here's a 2002 Aries 10-inch box fan model yfc1002. This fan was bought brand spanking new at Walgreens for I think like $9, something like that. We've had it ever since. It's never not worked. For a cheaper fan, it's always worked really well. Although it just never got much use now, but back in the day, when we first got it, used to get a lot of use. Especially in my bedroom on my nightstand, used to get a lot of use. And without further ado, here's low. I'm honestly surprised it still works. It's in really good condition though. Really works really well, which I'm surprised, but medium. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention it has 3 speeds. Unlike the little Duracraft down there, it only has 2. And then high. Yeah, it rattles, but it's really nothing bad. Back to medium. Back to low. And OFF spells off. Here's the side of it. The back of the fan says, "Do not use warning to reduce the risk of electrical shock. Do not, or an injury to persons. Do not use in a window." It's kind of weird they said person instead of person, but whatever. And the front of the fan says Aries. That's actually masking tape. That's not the original tag. The original tag fell off, so I just put masking tape around Aries on it. And there's a top. It says low, medium, high. Nothing really special. And yeah, so I hope you enjoy this video. Comment, like, subscribe. Don't forget to follow my TikTok. Thank you. Bye-bye.